Hi, I'm Ashton, and today we're going to be going over the ProVI Island. We're going to be talking about some of the features and what you can expect when you're unboxing this range hood. What you can find when you open your ProVI box is the cord for your blower, the power cord for the hood, and some hardware from installation. We'll talk about specifically the filters a little bit later. Keep in mind that your chimney will come in a separate box when delivered. This 36-inch ProVI model has 4 halogen lights with a switch and a knob control panel that gives you a dimmable light control and variable speed control. It's really customizable because you can pick which blower you want. You can either have a local blower that has 1200 CFM, or you can do a remote blower that has 1300 CFM. As you can see, I've already installed the filters here. We have 4 spacers and 4 filters. Keep in mind when you're installing this that the spacers go on the outside, not on the inside of the filters. So this is what you can expect when you unbox the ProVI Island range hood. Leave a comment below about your favorite feature and give us a call if you have any questions while you're installing this hood.